Where there are difficulties,
there are us.
we're guardians of the sea.
We're everywhere.
Ta-da! Sharks help team transform!
Set off.
Oh, the alarm goes off. Someone needs help. Connected successfully. Hello, this is Sharks Help Team.
Sharks Help Team, please help me. The cave collapsed. My friends have been trapped inside.
We are clear about the situation. Don't worry, Sharks Help Team is taking action. Let me see. We need the rescue expert for this action.
Daddy Shark starts to transform. Set off, Daddy Shark, the rescue expert! Don't worry, little guy. I'm a rescue expert. You can leave the rest to me.
Thank you, Daddy Shark.
The cave is open. I'll bring others here. Be patient and wait here for me.
Uh-huh.
There are hidden globefish and electric eels. This place is very dangerous. Be sure to keep away from them.
Please help us.
The jellyfish are there. Let's find them. Don't be scared. Here I come.
It's you, Daddy Shark.
Ah, you have been tricked. Be careful.
Help! Help!
Come with me.
Great! Help! Help!
Let me take you out of here.
Fantastic!
Oh, I must come up with a way to comfort these little guys. There is a way. Grandma Shark, it's time to show your skills.
Ah, dear Daddy Shark, leave it to me. Grandma Shark starts to transform. Set off, Grandma Shark, the master chef. Oh, the poor little guys must be terrified. Don't be afraid, my darlings. Grandma will make some worm ice cream for you. Many worms that jellyfish like to eat are hiding in here. Let me catch them to make some more worm ice cream. catching these naughty worms is not a problem for me. Let's start making some worm ice cream. Pour the worms into the plate. Shake the plate up and down and put the worms in the ice cream cone. Pour the worms into the plate. Shake the plate up and down and cover the worms with powdered sugar. Put the worms in the ice cream cone. Pour the worms into the plate. Shake the plate up and down and cover the worms with powdered sugar. Put the worms in the ice cream cone. Cut the foods and worm ice cream.
They look so invited. My friends will love it. Thank you, Grandma Shark. They are so delicious. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million.
You are welcome. Sharks Help Team mission complete. A Medal of Honor has been obtained. Yeah! Sharks Help Team is the best. Oh, the alarm goes off. Someone needs help. Connected successfully. Hello, this is Sharks Help Team.
Our home, the coral reef, was polluted. Sharks Help Team, please think of a solution.
We are clear about the situation. Don't worry, Sharks Help Team is taking action. Let me see. The team member for this action must be agile.
Mommy Shark starts to transform. Set off, Mommy Shark, the heroine of agility.
Our home! These filthy things have polluted the sea.
Don't be sad. I will restore your home to its original beauty. Look at this. Let me suck up the dirt.
Yahoo! Thank you so much. Oh, Mommy Shark, there is still a lot of trash among the sea anemones. What should we do?
That is easy. Let me fix it. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, the trash is there.
No! Sea anemones are poisonous. Don't touch them.
Ah, I should use rope. Wrap the trash with rope.
Wow! Great! Our home is back to normal. Wow! My friends all moved away after the coral reef was polluted.
Oh, the baby fish are so lonely here. I should come up with a way to liven things up. Grandpa Shark, can you do me a favor?
No problem. Grandpa Shark starts to transform. Set off, Grandpa Shark, the master craftsman. Yeah, it's great. There are many big and beautiful shells in the sea. Let's use these shells to build an amusement park. Let's drill the holes in the shells first. Let's build revolving shells.
Yeah! It's a lot of fun.
The coral garden is lively again. Sharks Help Team mission complete.
A Medal of Honor has been obtained.
Yeah!
Keep going. Be a guardian of the sea.